If you got some sick chickens, you can get help. This will help with your sick chickens. Or you got some baby chicks, this will help with them too, to boost the baby chicks. Or if you want to boost your flock because you've been having a heat wave, or they've been a little off or something, and you want to boost your flock, and you do this, and it will help your flock out. Howdy y'all, hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome to my channel, Chicken Chaos. If you like my channel, please like, subscribe, I greatly appreciate it. Today I'm talking about electrolytes, making your own electrolytes for your chickens. I'm here to save you time and money. I did the research and everything, and I did. Stay with me to the end of the video. I'm going to give out the recipe for the whole thing, breakdown of it, so you don't have to be searching for it. And I'm having it in the comment section below too, of the whole recipe. So stay to the end, and I'm going to break down all the recipe for this DIY electrolytes. But the neat thing about this electrolytes, if you got little chicks you can use it for them to help boost your baby chickens. If you got a sick chicken, you can use it for your sick chicken or your whole flock, anytime you think you need them. If it's hot outside, yes, they need some extra electrolytes versus just regular water. Help put the minerals back into them that they lose because it gets so freaking hot. So just stay with me, and I'm going to show you the whole recipe here in a little bit. And thank you for alright, I got my ingredients right here. I got my baking soda, my the agro salt minerals, and my honey. You could use sea salt with minerals, and I got my gallon of water right here. So I'm going to take my jar, mix my dry ingredients first. You got 4 tablespoons of this baking soda. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 tablespoons of this agro mineral salt that I got. 1, 2, 3. Alright, there you go. You got it in this mason jar. Put the top back on it and shake it around. There you go. Alright, once you got all your dry mixture in here, you got it all mixed up pretty good. I'm putting these to the side because I'm not going to need them no more. Well, if I don't. And so, you got your honey. So I put 4 tablespoons of baking soda and 4 tablespoons of the salt. I had that, like I said, agro salt, and that would do just fine. So now we're going to mix up our water for our water. So let me turn around here in my mixing station. As you see right here, I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of this into a gallon of water. There you go. And I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of the honey. Sometimes you can use warm water if you got real thick honey like this. But alright, so I've just put 2 teaspoons of this in it. My camera messed up. Now I'm about to put a tablespoon of this honey. And sometimes you might need to warm this water up for your honey to mix, but don't make it hot, because if you make it hot, then your honey won't have the properties it needs to help your chickens out. So just remember that. There you go. And it's kind of warm outside, so it makes it even easier for it to mix. And that's all it is, your ingredients wise. Now what I need to do is stir it. You need to stir it well. And like I said, you need to warm it up to get the honey to mix, do it. But don't make it hot, because like I say, you make it hot, then your honey properties, it won't have the properties it needs for the honey. Oh, I'm putting it wrong, cap on the wrong thing. And they love this stuff. You see right here, I'm mixing that all up. And make sure it's mixed up good so the minerals and the honey is all mixed up in it. And this is a gallon of water. I don't know if I said it or not, but 1 gallon of water is what it takes for this whole thing. I'm gonna turn it upside down. Again, 1 gallon of water. Your mix for this right here, baking soda and the agua salt. I can't never think of it half the time. And your honey. And that's all it takes. Or you can use sea salt if you need to. So let's take it over there. Let's see what the chickens think about it. Come on. It's going to be quite interesting. See, they don't trust me sometimes, but here we go. Look at there. They like it. And it's good for them. There's another one. And they helps put all those minerals back into them, the electrolytes back into them, and it gives them a boost. And this stuff's good for the gut also. So, I mean, it's got a lot of different properties for it, and you can't go wrong with it. So, like I said, I'm going to put the whole recipe in the description area below, so you'll be able to look at it and copy what you need and get stuff. And most of the stuff you've already got in your cabinets, if you're any kind of homesteader of any kind. So you're going to have a lot of stuff. If you don't, it doesn't take much to buy it. So if you like my channel, please like, subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. You have a